Welcome back to a new Bavarian Inn video, everyone. In this video, I'm at Michael's Toys and Treasures in the Fun Center, looking to get new plushies for the Bavarian Blast mascots. Let's check them out. Here they are, I found them. They have, I believe, Puddles the bird, Goalie the goldfish, and I forget these dogs' names, but these four here are all Bavarian Blast mascots. Alright, so I went back to the bowling area here, and pretty much nothing has changed. It's still the same, no exit construction site sign, the elevator with no button there, and that's pretty much it over here. But we do have a view of the big Bavarian Blast sign up there, and fencing that looks like it's going to be installed eventually. And then the upper level to those stairs that are supposed to be right there. So another thing the Bavarian Inn announced on Facebook and Instagram today is that the new water park has water in it finally. I know it's not opening until later this year, but I'm gonna go back up and see what I can get from upstairs and outside. So this is an outside view of the area I was just at down in the Fun Center. You can see that there's doors on that right window there. That looks like it's gonna be the main entrance to the water park. So getting a peek for that big window behind that big Bavarian Blast sign right there in that tiny corner there in the left corner, you can see that there are also inner tubes right there. Those are inner tubes. So it looks like you could grab a tube like before you go into the water park. I think that's pretty cool. So now I'm going to drive over to the other side of the water park and get the back, because that's all made of glass and you should be able to get a good view of what's to come with the new water park. And here is a view from the back, everybody. So right at this level here, there's going to be a mezzanine level that's going to have cabanas. And then you can also see that up on the roof, there are fans and a heating system. And then from those two drone videos I upload all the way back in like September or October or something like that, it looks like through here, or it looked like from those videos, that right through there is where the lazy river is, for a reference. And then the wave pool will be right along the other side, right over on the right. The swim up bar will be along the back, right at this outdoor area here. Then over on the left side, in the middle of that side or whatever, you're going to see a big slide tower where most of the slides are. And on the far right corner, the part that's farthest away from me right now, that's where a kiddie area is going to be with a few water slides and a dump bucket. And then the corner closest to the tower entrance will have a hangout pool and the entrance to, I believe, the indoor-outdoor pool. So yeah, that's really the best update I can give until it opens, pretty much. So when it opens, I'll be back and I'll be ready to show you everything that I've been waiting for a long time on this channel to finally see when the Bavarian Blast Water Park opens up. Thank you for watching, everybody. Make sure to subscribe and drop a like, and also give a follow on Instagram and Facebook. And as always, sub for more content.